Hello and welcome to the Windmill block. The Windmill block uses some half square triangle units, which we will be going through in a second. I just wanted you to see it finished. So behind me, it's the top one on the right. It features 4 half square triangle units, which we're going to make now. Okay, to make a half square triangle unit, there are lots of ways of making half square triangle units, and this is a simple, straightforward way. Move the pins. We should have a windmill block. Let's check this. Everything's going in the right direction, so, yep. Okay, now I would press it.